National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern County and north central Texas, northern Johnson County and north central Texas, southeastern Parker County and north central Texas, southern Tarrant County and north central Texas, until 6 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles northwest of Dudley, moving east at 50 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Benbrook around 5:15 p.m., Joshua and Keene around 5:20 p.m., Burleson, Crowley, and Edgecliff around 5:25 p.m., Rendon, Everman, Forest Hill, and Alvarado around 5:30 p.m. For your protection, move to a sturdy shelter until the storm has passed. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Thursday evening for East